What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, guys. We have a lot of different things to discuss as far as news goes. Tons of stuff. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you guys don't miss any of that. First things first, though, guys, let me know in the comments below, what are your end of February predictions for the price of Shib? It seems here that the overreigning consensus is coming to the 4 zeros and 7254 level. Let me know what you guys potentially think that Shiba Inu could reach by the end of February. I hope it's this number. Hopefully we see another massive rhino spike, of course, towards the moon, and we see absolutely huge movement towards there either way. Again, we're still consolidating quite nicely here. Pushed up a little bit yesterday after the really beautiful day that we had in the overall cryptocurrency markets, and even this today, guys, if you look, we're up about 3.58% on the day, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Love to see it. Bitcoin back over 41,000, Ethereum back over 3,000. We're just kind of flirting with that edge, though. Hopefully we don't go back below, but even if we do, guys, I think the overall market strength right now is looking pretty good, and I hope to see further movement towards the upside either way. If you guys haven't already, I really want to recommend you guys hit that subscribe button, guys. It is the best way to support the channel, of course, and obviously get access to the latest and up-to-date information as far as Shiba Inu is concerned. I know you guys want to get access to all that stuff for free, and this is the best way to do it, so hit that sub button if you haven't already. Let's talk about this, though, guys. 70% of Shiba Inu traders on Coinbase are now buying. How does this compare to last month? So what we know right now, guys, is that, again, according to Coinbase, over 70% of customers bought Shib over the past days, while 30% sold their tokens. This is interesting. This means that the number of buyers of Shiba Inu is now significantly outperforming or out-contrasting the number of sellers, right? 70% to 30%. That's a pretty significant ratio as far as a difference goes. Now, what I do think that this is a good sign of is that there might be something coming soon for Shiba Inu, or it seems that the overall consensus is that something is coming soon for Shiba Inu, some type of catalyst, some type of event, and people are trying to get ready. They're trying to buy Shiba Inu right now when we're in this kind of consolidatory stabilization type phase where we're not really moving in any major direction towards the upside or the downside, which is typically where most people like to buy. Most smart investors at least like to buy. They like to buy not the dips necessarily, but when the price is stable, because they know they're likely going to get a good price. They're not going to get something that's super overvalued, and they're not going to get something that's super undervalued. It's going to be right in that sweet spot that everybody seems to want. Now, again, Shib's peak price in October was 2021 was preceded by a 4-week rally when the coin surged more than 700%. Incidentally, there was a significant amount of buying pressure for the asset on Coinbase around this time, with trading activity indicating over 90% of Shib traders had buy positions open and over 10% had sell orders. That's crazy, guys, that 90% more of people were buying Shib than, of course, selling, and we're starting to approach that ratio again quite quickly. Earlier this week, of course, one of the analysts said that Shib's October rally boosted Coinbase's retail trading volumes and helped it become the second most downloaded app for the week ending in October 15th of 2021. That is absolutely crazy, guys. But you know what? If you guys want to start buying Shiba Inu and help contribute to that overall ratio, I recommend getting on public.com with the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do is make an account and deposit at least $1. Not only will you be able to start trading Shiba Inu on their platform, you also can have the chance to earn a free stock that's worth up to $300, guys. Zach and I got a $300 Amazon stock just the other day from our free stock that we got when we signed up. So I really recommend that you guys sign up and try your hand and see what you guys can get. So again, hit that first link down in the description below, get signed up, deposit at least $1, and you guys will get access to all of those benefits, of course, as well. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. But again, this ratio is slowly increasing, guys, and I think as more whales continue to buy, as we see more stabilization in the price of Shiba Inu, I'm going to be very excited for the future of what this coin might hold. Let's talk about this, though. This is Shiba Inu's 3 biggest catalysts in 2022. For well over a century, Wall Street is where many fortunes have been made. But in recent years, it's cryptocurrencies that have run absolute circles around the stock market. We're all very familiar with the Shiba Inu with its over 46 million% gain in 2021 alone. Let's talk about these catalysts, though, and see what he's referring to. So a trio of notable catalysts. The first one, more than likely they're going to talk about, as you can see, is Shibarium. Shibarium will be, of course, layered atop the blockchain and will help reduce gas fees significantly for not only Shiba Inu investors, but also for the dev team as well, making everything run just a little bit smoother. making everything run just a little bit smoother, which is awesome. It's good to see, right? The second big catalyst that we know and of course discuss about is Robinhood. Robinhood is a very big potential catalyst here that if we were to see a Shib listing, this is something that I think could absolutely send us to the moon. Now, again, a lot of you guys like to go down in the comments really quick every time I mention Robinhood and go, "You freaking idiot, you dumbass idiot. Don't you know that Robinhood said nothing about listing it? The SEC hasn't made further regulation." Calm down. First of all. Second of all, listen, guys, what you have to understand is that what Vlad said is that he's waiting for further word from the SEC about regulation for certain cryptocurrencies. And you know what, guys? We've been getting that. Over the last couple of months, there's been more and more lawsuits and more regulatory type of statements coming out from the federal government. This isn't just the SEC. This is from President Biden himself. And if anything, guys, regulation is not a bad thing. Regulation will make cryptocurrency more adoptable. It will make it more available, more accessible to more people. And if anything, it will help Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies grow as well. And I think that it's sooner rather than later, guys, that Robinhood is going to wise up and list Shiba Inu, not only because, one, their cryptocurrency revenue is absolutely tanking quarter by quarter, but of course, the other big thing that I want to mention is that, again, Shiba Inu is something that most of their users want on the platform. This is the most requested token in their Twitter bar replies and their Instagram comments and every single social media platform that they operate. More and more people want Shiba Inu to get listed on the platform. So it really is, in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before we see some substantial movement there. Robinhood as far as the listing goes. Again, once this lawsuit also gets wrapped up as far as XRP is concerned, I think that's when we will likely see more Shiba Inu listing information come out. We could see substantial movement as far as where that lawsuit is at currently and where we're going to be, of course, towards the end of the year. The third catalyst that they're talking about is the Ashiverse, which is basically going to be Shiba Inu's own little metaverse that they are currently creating. That I'm really excited for, and that I think is going to be a very big catalyst as well for the overall price, guys. Sorry about my voice today, guys. It's cutting like it just did there. It's cutting out a little bit just because the allergies have been crazy here in California. The wind has been blowing like 20-mile-per-hour winds every single day. And pollen in the air. You guys know how it goes. But again, guys, if you like this video, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. Make sure you join our private Discord with the second link down in the description below. Really great community, one-on-one interactions in the Discord, Patreon with you, daily crypto alerts and information that we try to get out to you guys in a timely manner. And I think you guys really enjoy being in that community. And of course, make sure you hit that sub button if you haven't already, guys. I'm Kyle with Finance, bro. Take it easy.